Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm giving you a quick update about what is coming next to the channel in terms of vehicles, because I know a lot of you guys have been saying, okay, you've had your ProTune 2016 WRX that we all like, hopefully we all like it, and we're getting bored of it. So I am also not getting bored of it. I love this car, but I think we're looking for what's next for the channel, and don't worry, it is going to be a Subaru. Well, I mean, I think you've seen the title. I've probably at this point named this video exactly the car that I'm getting, just so it's kind of clickbaity, but that is the ride that I plan on getting next, unless something crazy happens with the market. I'll tell you about that in a second. And because we're talking about potentially losing this car, let's roll the quintessential intro of this car. All right, so if you've been watching my most recent videos, you've been picking up on all the hints about what I want to buy next for this channel prior to the newest generation WRX. One of my goals for this channel is basically always to have a Subaru on the channel, because that's where the roots and history of the channel have come from. I do plan on having other cars, other manufacturers, cooler cars, faster cars, but I want to make sure that I keep those roots on the channel, because that's where my passion is, and that's where I think a lot of the value that I can add to people who watch the channel come from. So we're always going to have a Subaru on the channel, whether it's this WRX or what I'm hoping my next car will be, which is a 2021 Subaru STI, WRX STI. So if you watch my live streams, you'll know that I've been saying that I'm going to get a 2021 STI for some time now, and I'm not talking hypothetically. I've been actively trying to do this for some time now. The only problem is I'm not willing to pay basically more than MSRP. So of course it's taking me a little bit of time to actually find one, and find one for a good deal, and actually lock the deal down before it actually sells. So I'm looking for a 2021 STI. It's actually the hardest process I've ever gone around. As you guys know, I'm also very passionate about personal finance, money, entrepreneurship, and of course that drives the fact that I can't overpay for a car. I won't do it. Fundamentally, I won't do it. So I'm taking the time to do it. I also understand that my WRX is worth more now than it's ever been worth. So I want to make sure I don't lose the window. So it's coming quickly. I mean, the newest STI is coming quickly, and I want to get some time behind. I want to get some time in an EJ. And I know that everyone's like, that's the oldest engine in the world. Yeah, it probably is. But I haven't actually owned one. I haven't spent significant time with one. So I want to experience that before it's a thing of the past, and it's something that we all make videos about. Wow, the EJ, or wow, the STI with the EJ. I want to experience that. I don't want to come back to it. And I know it's like everyone makes content on it because it's like the oldest platform ever, but it is what it is. And I think that 2021, you might ask, why am I not looking for used or something else? I think right now the way the market is, buying new, if you can get it for MSRP, financially might be the most beneficial thing, because your distance between brand new and used is very, very tight right now, because the used market is up and there's less risk in new. I also think that the 2021 comes with some improvements that I'm actually looking for, and are a little more thrilling when I'm thinking about the STI platform and what I'm looking for from the VA STI generation. So this is probably a quick video. I'm going to tell you about one other thing before we go, but it's not Subaru related. But so yeah, this is kind of a quick update midweek video about what I'm planning to bring to the channel and what I plan on buying. But I'm also planning to get the 2022 or 2023, whichever model year it actually comes out as, Ford Maverick, which is like the $19,995 truck. So an under 20K truck, new, and it makes like 51 miles to the gallon because it's a hybrid truck. Why am I getting it? I desperately needed a truck, and used trucks are almost that expensive anyways. So I'm gonna get the newest Ford Maverick, and it'll kind of be part of the channel. I'm gonna use it as like a functional vehicle because I'm doing a live-in renovation of a house. But I guess if you've stuck this far through the video, let me know in the comment section below whether you'd be interested in the 2020 or the new Maverick, the new Ford Maverick being on the channel. Not fully, but like once, a video once a month or something, or like a bonus video on Sundays. I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section below if that's something that you'd actually want to see, because it's not going to change my plans on whether or not I get it, because I have to get it. I really need a truck, but it's, you know, I might make some considerations on, you know, features and stuff like that, and, you know, I don't know. Just let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, guys, thanks for sticking around for a quick update video, a short update video. I very much appreciate it. What is going on? It's like a minivan going like 5 miles an hour and I'm in a 45. Bizarre. Well, I'm going to continue making some videos today because I'm trying to play catch up so you guys can get more videos, because I promised 2 a week and I haven't been able to keep up with that schedule. So I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. We'll get there. We'll get there.